Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert. Told you guys I would show you this working with multi-drone. This is the Artillery 3D. It's been a few days. I actually found some more land. I'm in the automating homestead phase, so always looking for more land. Let's see if you guys can see that. Yep. So yeah, now it's working on multi-drone. Um, Basically, again, this is firing a 20 millimeter projectile at like over a kilometer with the timed fuse, and so it's already working. It was pretty easy to get working on multi-drone like this. Getting it on a lot more than the two is just gonna kind of take longer to train because then it needs more observations to be able to find those. Because right now what it's getting is the position XYZ and the XYZ velocity for these. And even if I break it into, like radial or spherical coordinates, it's still gonna be basically the same thing. Um, but yeah, got it working, was fairly easy. This wouldn't have been easy without PufferLib. By the way, PufferLib is what made this easy. And yeah, just wanted to get you guys the update. Not sure what I'm going to work on next. If you have any suggestions, let me know. All right, Keith from Ginvert. See you guys later. Bye.